Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. We're going to be doing an oil level sensor on this 96 Chevy Corvette. Sorry for the wind. Let's get right to it. Alright, first off you want to jack up the car and put it on some jack stands, and always make sure that you have some kind of chalking device, and then you go underneath the car when it's all safe. Alright, and then also another step is you're going to want to drain the oil before you remove that oil level sensor, so go ahead and drain the oil first. Alright, so what you want to do first is take off this connector. All you got to do is put a pick right here in between the clip and just pry it in there like so, and it pulls right out just like that. Alright, now we're going to pull this off of here. All I'm using is just an adjustable wrench, lefty loosey righty tighty. Look at this. Get this out of the way so you can see. Okay. Pull the old one out. Let's see that it's leaking. All right, and then to install this new oil level sensor, all you gotta do is just reverse order. Put back in the hole. Lefty loosey righty tighty. Oh, and also this O-ring right here, just make sure that it's on there before you put it on, because it will leak again. So what you gotta do is just screw it back on like so. If it gets tight, just go ahead and use your adjustable wrench again, or whatever you're using to tighten it up. And all we want to do is just put it on snug, not over tightening it. Connect it back in like so. Make sure your rubber gasket's on there. And just like that, it's on. So hopefully this video helps you guys out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for some more content. Thank you for watching.